Welcome to HoliDIY Extravaganza. In this program, you'll learn from 4 different teen services assistants how to make tiny origami stars, how to marble stationery, how to hand letter, and how to use your hand lettering skills to decorate an ornament. Free pick-me-up kits with materials to complete all 4 projects are available while supplies last. See the description to learn more.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm a teen services assistant from the headquarters library. Today I'm going to show you how to make origami star ornaments. For this craft, you'll need the brown envelope, which has 3 sets of glitter paper, 2 sets of plain paper, and then your plastic ornament and the hook. Start color side up and then pull one end over until it looks like a ribbon, just like this. Then take the small end and pull it through the loop. Pull both ends nice and taut while also making sure to leave a little tab at the end, like so. And then you'll gently crease your pentagon shape with your fingers. Now you'll take the tab and fold it over. Then you'll take the long end and fold it over in the direction of the paper. If you go in the opposite way, like this, the paper buckles up and doesn't lay flat. Continue folding your paper along the pentagon until you reach the end of the tab. Check to see if the tab is too long to fit inside your star. If it is too long, then you could crease it to make a shorter tab. Now take that tab and tuck it into the crease of your star. Finally, you'll take your fingernail and you'll make an indent in between all of the points. This is the final step, and this is what causes your pentagon to puff up and look more star-like. Now you just make a ton of stars. You can use all of the papers provided or use a couple colors. Fill up each half of the ornament with your paper stars. Now take your 2 plastic ornament halves and press them together securely. Finally, add your hook and you're done.
Hi everyone, this is Lan from the Cowpens Library, and today we're going to be doing marbled stationery. For this project, you'll need a can of shaving cream, it doesn't matter what kind, some food coloring, I picked red and green to go with the holiday colors, and some popsicle sticks for stirring and making designs. You'll also need some heavy-duty cardstock. I have a card and envelope here that we're going to use to decorate today. You'll also want a plate and some napkins. The first thing we're going to do is put down a layer of shaving cream on our plate. This will expand, so you don't need to use the whole bottle. Once we have a nice solid covering, we're going to take a popsicle stick and just smooth it out. After you have it smoothed out, you're going to go in with your first color. I chose green. Then you're going to go in with your second color. It doesn't really matter how you put this color in. I just chose circles because I thought it looked nice. Now you're going to take your popsicle stick and just start swirling those colors into the shaving cream. You can do any design you want here. It doesn't really matter, whatever feels best to you. I started kind of with my colors separate, but then I decided that I like them better swirled together in a little bit more of a marble pattern, so that's what I did. Whatever works best for you or you think looks good will work perfectly. Once you have your design the way you want it, you're going to take your piece of cardstock and just press the front firmly down into the shaving cream, not too hard, but enough so that it presses into the design. Now you're going to take your napkin and wipe off the remaining shaving cream from your design. This part can get pretty messy, so be aware of that. Once you have your card cleaned off, you can decide if you want to go back in. I thought my card was looking a little bit blank on the ends, so I dipped it right back into my design, just lightly tapping on those ends to get some more full coverage, and then you'll just wipe it off again. And there you have it. Marbled stationery is an easy way to put a fun twist on your homemade cards. Have fun!
Hi, my name is Jamie, and I'm the teen assistant at the Cyril Westside Library. Today I'll be showing you how to hand letter. In your pick-me-up, you should have example worksheets, tracing paper, stationery, and a dual-tip brush marker. There are two sides to the marker. One side is a larger brush that I'll be using for most of the demonstration, and the other side is much smaller for detail. Using the brush, you want to add pressure to make a thick line for each downstroke. For an upstroke, you will use less pressure to create a thin line. For example, when writing the letter O, you will press down harder for the downstroke and use less pressure when you come back up. As you watch this video, feel free to skip around for the letters that you'll be using for your design. I will go through the lowercase alphabet first and then uppercase right after. So that you can use your worksheet over and over, feel free to use the tracing paper on top of your work. If you find the smaller side of the marker easier to use, you can draw your own downstrokes and color them in as I have done here. That's it! Happy hand lettering!
Hello, my name is Sophia and I am the Teen Services Assistant at the Landrum Library branch. Today we are going to make rustic ornaments. Your pick-me-up will include a wood slice ornament and a paint pen. To get your paint pen started, simply shake it like so and then press it repeatedly onto the scratch paper until the paint flows and then dab off the excess. It's a good idea to practice your designs on scratch paper first. When you are satisfied with your design, you're ready to do your ornament. These are the 3 designs I will demonstrate today. Let's get started. You have now created your own rustic ornament.
We have a virtual teen program every Wednesday, so follow at SCPL Teens on Instagram or Facebook to stay in the loop about programs, contests, and other giveaways. Thanks for watching!